Hi, I'm Brittany,
I'm Justin,
And I'm Laura.
and we're introducing World Book for Kids.
an electronic ELR for grades 2 through 12.
And we really liked it because it assists students in projects, it has many different interest areas, and it has interactive games and activities.
And this is a reference ELR. One of the great features about World Book Kids is its search bar. So the students have the opportunity to click into the search bar and type any topic that they need information on. So I'm going to type in Native Americans. The search brings up articles, pictures, maps, and videos. So for Native Americans, there's 267 different articles that the students can look through. There's 10 different pictures that all have to do with Native Americans or something related. There's 2 maps and then 1 video. So this is really great for students who are doing research projects. If you have something specific they want to look up, if they're doing a project on their heritage, they can search the country that they're from, find maps, find flags, anything like that. So one of the great things, we used this in the classroom. They typed in the country that they were born in, clicked search. So Denmark is an example. There's a picture, the crest, some information about where the country is located. So we felt that this was a really great feature for a variety of ages of students. Students who are doing research projects or students in 2nd and 3rd grade who are learning about their heritage.
Students have the chance to participate in multiple activities. The activities they get to choose from are Be It, where the student gets to be the person or be the professional that does things. Make It, students get to interact and make things that they get to experiment and participate with. And Think It. Now Think It is more of, it's less hands-on, so it's not quite the interactive level that I would appreciate, but actually it does give some good thoughts and the students definitely have to think. Let's take a look at Be It. Students are going to select Be It. There's a series of choices that they get to choose from. They are in alphabetical order, and the student just looks and picks one. We're going to take a look at Friction from Air. So in Friction from Air, students get to be a scientist. They get to experiment, and they're going to experiment with air. So in this activity, the student is going to see how air creates friction. And they're going to learn that air creates friction by rubbing against moving things and slowing them down. And they're going to make a helicopter that uses friction in the air to slow its fall and to create a spin. So the activity is laid out with visual images and written directions in a series of 7 steps. These steps are easy to follow and readily available. We're going to take a look now at Make It. In Make It, the students get to create the item, and we're going to take a look now at Cat and Mouse. So it states, cat and mouse, all a cat needs to play its favorite game is a mouse toy. Okay, so let's take a look down. So there's a list of the things that the student is going to need, and again, there are written step-by-step instructions as well as visual pictures of what the beginning and end result is. So that can help an ELD learner or a visual learner just as well as other students who learn other.
So another really cool aspect that World Book Kids has is it has these categories here up at the top that students can choose from. So let's say they want to choose science and mathematics, they just click on it, and then over here on the left there are other topics and categories they can choose from. So we'll choose mathematics, and then again more categories. So if they want to work on addition or find out what addition is, they go ahead and click on that, and it has the definition of addition right here, and then over on the left it has related information that students can click on, and then also activities and games that go along with addition. And then if they scroll down to the bottom, it says how to cite this article, and it's right here, so that when students are citing articles, it's right there and easy for them to do. So that's another thing that WorldBook Kids has to offer.
We did have a couple of concerns regarding the WorldBook Kids electronic learning resource. Our first concern is that the games and activities cannot be adjusted for age group. As mentioned, the specified age group for WorldBook for Kids is ages 2nd grade all the way up through 12th grade. However, you can't really distinguish which activity is going to be appropriate for which grade, so it might be difficult for students to go through and select. So this would be, again, something that a teacher would have to go through, look over, and decide, is this what I think my students are capable of, or is this not quite at their level, or are they exceeding this level and it wouldn't be challenging for them. Our second concern is about the fact that you aren't able to differentiate the games and activities. So where one game might be perfect and at level for one student, another student who could be an emergent reader or could be struggling with mathematics or language arts, it's difficult to get to differentiate or know what the different activities are again. Finally, there is just a lot to sort through, so students could easily become distracted and not remain on task. So those were our 3 concerns.
So there's many positives that WorldBook Kids has that we really liked, and that one of them is that it has many different aspects. So it has the search bar and the categories.
Another thing that we really liked was how colorful WorldBook Kids is. So the start screen has a lot of different colors to entice the students to click around.
We also really liked that there's information on anything really. So any type of assignment that you want the kids to do or anything that you assign, the website will most likely have the information.
There's a lot of interactive games that go along with the information that the students will find on WorldBook Kids.
It doesn't lead you to outside sources, so when they click on information that they are looking for, it doesn't take them to the outside world where that would be inappropriate.
It's also very easy to use, so the students can search using the search bar or the categories.